The Chevrolet Motorhome 2026 represents a bold step forward in the evolution of recreational vehicles, combining cutting-edge technology, luxury, and performance. Designed for those who seek adventure on the road while enjoying the comforts of home, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome brings a fresh approach to road travel. With its sleek, aerodynamic exterior and spacious interior, this vehicle aims to redefine the motorhome experience. One of the standout features of the Chevrolet Motorhome 2026 is its powerful engine options. Chevrolet has incorporated their latest advancements in performance engineering, ensuring the vehicle delivers both power and efficiency. Whether it's cruising down the highway or navigating winding mountain roads, the motorhome is built to handle a variety of terrains while maintaining an impressive fuel economy, a key consideration for long-distance travelers. Inside, the 2026 model is a true testament to the company's focus on comfort and luxury. The interior layout is designed with the modern traveler in mind, featuring high-end materials and finishes that give the cabin a premium feel. The motorhome offers multiple configurations, with spacious lounges, well-equipped kitchens, and separate sleeping areas that ensure restful nights on the road. Additionally, the inclusion of smart home technology, such as voice-activated controls for lighting and climate, allows travelers to manage their environment with ease. Technology also plays a central role in the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. Equipped with advanced infotainment systems, travelers can stay connected, stream media, and enjoy a seamless digital experience while on the move. The vehicle is also outfitted with cutting-edge safety features, such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, making it one of the safest motorhomes on the market. What sets the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome apart from its competitors is its versatility. It offers an innovative hybrid powertrain option, allowing customers to choose between traditional gasoline or electric power, depending on their preferences for sustainability and environmental impact. This hybrid option not only reduces the vehicle's carbon footprint but also enhances fuel efficiency, making it an appealing choice for eco-conscious travelers. For those seeking the ultimate in-road adventure, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome promises an unmatched combination of style, performance, and technology. Whether embarking on a cross-country road trip or simply exploring the weekend getaway, this motorhome delivers an unforgettable travel experience.